we have done this property that AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Now we are going to verify this one with given matrices. Okay, so what are left hand side, that is we have to find AB inverse. Now left hand side we are starting. Left hand side AB is equal to, now we have to multiply first A and B. Okay, so it is 3725 with 6879. Now here it goes 3 6 are 18 plus 49, then 24 plus 63, then 12 plus 35, and then 2 8 are 16 plus 45. 16 plus 45. Okay, now after adding this one, 18 plus 49 67, this one 87, then 47 61. Okay, so first thing is we got AB. Now second thing is determinant of AB. Now determinant of AB is 67 with 61 minus 47 with 87. Okay, now determinant of AB is equal to, now after calculation this becomes 61 with 7 and then it becomes 4087 minus 47 with 87 4089. Now AB is equal to minus 2. AB is not equal to 0, therefore AB inverse exists. Okay, we have to follow these steps as we have done it. Now we have to find AB inverse. AB inverse is equal to, now we have a general formula for this part. It was A inverse is equal to 1 upon, if you remember we have already done this with A, B, C and D. Okay, so this was AD minus CB with D and A. These were the changing in the positions and changing in the signs for this same part. Okay, so now AB inverse is equal to what? AB inverse is equal to 1 upon minus 2 with, now it is 67, so we are having 61 minus 87 minus 47 and 67. So this is AB inverse. Okay, now right hand side. Now right hand side we have to find B inverse and A inverse. Okay, so now let's move for determinant of A. For A we are having 15 minus 14, this is equal to 1. Determinant of A is equal to 1. Determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Okay, A inverse exists. Now what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 upon 1, determinant is 1, 1 upon 1 with 5 minus 7 minus 2 3. This is A inverse. Now B inverse. Determinant of B is equal to determinant of B. 6 9s are 54 minus 7 8s are 56. This is equal to negative of 2. Now determinant of B is equal to negative of 2. Determinant of B is not equal to 0. Therefore B inverse exists. Okay, now what is B inverse? B inverse is equal to 1 upon minus 2 with, now it is 9 minus 8 minus 7 and 6. Okay. So we got A inverse and B inverse for the right hand side. Now we have to find B inverse with A inverse. Okay. So now again right hand side is equal to B inverse A inverse. Now this is equal to, B inverse is this part, minus 1 by 2 with 9 minus 8 minus 7 and 6 multiplied by A inverse. Here is A inverse, 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. Okay. Now we have to multiply this thing. Okay. So this is minus 1 by 2 with 9 5s are 45 minus 9 5s are 45 plus minus 8 with minus 2. Okay. Plus 16. One thing. Then 9 7s are 63, negative of 63 plus minus 8 with 3, 24, negative of 24, then minus 35, minus 12, minus 35, minus 12, 49 plus 18. Now we are having B inverse A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 2 with, now 45 with 16, 61 minus 87 minus 47 and 67. Okay. Now we are having AB inverse, this one and this one. Okay. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. So property is proved.